Hi everyone, continuation to our previous video on exercise 1.1 second question. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is some integer. So, solution, use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is some integer. Okay, let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. Here b equal to how much? Our b value is 6. Okay, by using Euclid division lemma, by EDL, what is Euclid division lemma? A equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r, where r is lies between 0 and b. R is lies between 0 and b. Okay, here the value of b is 6. What is the value of b? Our value of b is 6. I mean, our value is lies between 0 and 6. R takes the values from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean less than 6. R takes the values below 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So case 1. If r equal to 0. Case 1. If r equal to 0. What is Euclid division lemma? Our Euclid division lemma is a equal to bq plus r. B value is 6 cube plus r value is 0. A equal to b value is 6 cube plus r value is 0. So 6 cube plus 0, that is equal to 6 cube. Okay. Now coming to case 2. If r equal to 1. If r is equal to 1. So what is Euclid division lemma? A equal to bq plus r. I mean 6 cube plus 1. 6 cube plus 1. So r equal to 1 over. Now coming to r equal to 2. Take r equal to 2. R equal to, if r equal to 2. What is Euclid division lemma? A equal to bq plus r. I mean 6 cube plus 2. Next, if r equal to 3, so a equal to 6 cube plus 3. If r equal to 4, if r equal to 4, a equal to 6 cube plus 4. If r equal to 5, if r equal to 5, a equal to 6 cube plus 5. 6 cube plus 5. We have checked all the six cases. Okay. According to question, to show that every positive integer, positive odd integers. You can see here, what are the odd numbers here? 1, 3, 5. They are odd integers. Check with 1. When I substitute if r equal to 1, when I substitute r equal to 1, I got a equal to 6 cube plus 1. What I got? I got a equal to 6 cube plus 1. Okay? Which is not divisible by 2. Okay? Now coming to r equal to 3. If I take r equal to 3, I got a equal to 6 cube plus 3. You can check with, I got 6 cube plus 3. Next odd number is 5. If r equal to 5, I got a equal 6 cube plus 5? 6 cube plus 5? So 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5, they are not divisible by 2. I mean they are odd integers. Coming to 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4, they are divisible by 2. Hence they are even integers. So the question is to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So from this what we understood, therefore every positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Okay, 1, 3, 5, we got 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. Clear? Okay, now coming to third question. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. 3p or 3p plus 1. Okay, let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. Here what is the value of b? Here the value of b is what? Here b equal to 3. Here b equal to 3. So by using UDL, what is UDL? A equal to b cube plus r. A equal to b cube plus r, where r is lies between 0 and b. R is lies between 0 and b. So what is the value of b here? Our value of b is 3 less than r less than 0. I mean r value is lies between 0 and 3. So r takes the values less than 3. I mean 0, 1, 2. What are the values of r? Here the values of r are 0, 1, 2. So first, if r equal to 0, first condition, if r equal to 0, what is Euclid division lemma? A equal to b cube plus r. What is the value of b? B value is 3 cube. B equal to 3 cube plus r value is 0. We got r value is 0. So 3 cube plus 0, which is 3 cube. But the question is what? Use division algorithm to show that square of any positive integer. Square. So what we have to do? We have to do squaring on both sides. So that is a square is equal to 3 cube whole square. A square equal to 3 cube whole square. So a square equal to 3 square value 9 q square. As square belongs to 3 as well as q. So 3 square, 3 into 3 9 q square. So as for our convenience, what I will do, a square equal to this 9q square I can write as 3 into 3q square. As per our convenience, 9q square also I can write as 3 into 3q square. See, if I multiply 3 into 3, again I get 9 only. 3 into 3q square. So let this 3q square, I consider as 3q square as p. So I can write as a square equal to 3p. See, I got first value 3p is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. When I substitute r equal to 0, I got 3p. Okay. Now coming to second one, r value is 1. If I take r equal to 1, if r equal to 1, what is Euclid division lemma? A equal to b cube plus r, I mean 3 cube plus r value is 1. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. That is a square equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole square. Okay. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? The formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can see here which is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the value of a here? The value of a is 3q here and the value of b is 1 here, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. So I can write as a square 3q whole square plus b square 1 square plus 2ab. 2 into a value is 3q and b value is 1. So a square equal to 3 square value 9 q square plus 1 square value 1 plus 2 3s are 6 cube. Okay, let me rearrange the terms. First, let me write it as 9q square, then 6q, then 1. I rearrange the terms in standard form I wrote. Okay, if you observe here, from these two terms, from 9q square plus 6q, I can take 3 as common. If I take 3 as common, 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6. This one as it is you write down. Okay, now you can consider as 3q square plus 2q as p. So a square equal to 3p plus 1. See, when I substitute r equal to 1, what I got? I got which is in the form of 3p plus 1. So therefore the square of any positive integer, therefore the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. Right? I hope you understood this sum, which carries 4 marks, and also it is an important question.